It's the XAMUSA selection of built-in refrigerators, anywhere from 72 to 36 inch. We have a wide variety of units available. Each unit will have a number on the corner. If you have any questions about pricing, availability, options, any questions at all, you're more than welcome to call us at 480-834-1111. You can also visit us online at www.xamusa.com. Item number -1 is an Armana 36-inch built-in refrigerator with bottom freezer drawer, stainless steel. I apologize for the fuzziness, I'll let it focus here. F36, so a 36-inch GE bottom freezer. F37 is our 72-inch GE monogram model. One side is all refrigerator, the other is all freezer. F39 is also another 72-inch GE monogram. This unit has custom top trim piece. All refrigerator, all freezer. We do ship worldwide. F38, 36-inch GE monogram. F40 is a GE bottom freezer, 36-inch built-in. F41 is a Sub-Zero 501F and 501R. One side is a refrigerator, the other is a freezer. This unit was refurbished. It does have the newest model stainless steel panels and handles. F44 is a 72-inch Sub-Zero as well, all refrigerator, all freezer. F42, 36-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator. F43, 36-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator. F45, 72-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator. This unit can come as shown, or we can install custom stainless panels at an additional cost. F13, 48-inch built-in Sub-Zero side-by-side with indoor water and ice. F46, side-by-side 48-inch Sub-Zero with tubular handles. F47, KitchenAid built-in 48-inch side-by-side stainless steel. F48, KitchenAid 48-inch side-by-side stainless steel. F49, JennAir side-by-side stainless steel 48-inch built-in. F50, same unit as the prior F49. This is going to be a 48-inch stainless steel built-in, indoor water and ice. F51 is the JennAir 48-inch built-in with custom wood panels. This unit can come as shown, or we can install stainless panels at an additional cost. F52, 48-inch Sub-Zero. The top trim piece will be replaced prior to shipment, and I apologize. Indoor water and ice. F53, custom panel. Sub-Zero 48-inch. It can come with the panels as shown, or an additional cost. We can install stainless. If you have any questions on any of the items, you're more than welcome to give us a call. 480-834-1111. You can also visit us online, as we originally stated, www.xamusa.com. We do ship worldwide. Zero problems with the Better Business Bureau. You can go online, check out our company profile. No complaints. 100% eBay feedback rating. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.